Hi, I'm going to demonstrate how fashion works with ExtJS 6. If you read my recent blog post on the subject, fashion is a replacement for Compass and Sass with ExtJS 6. It's a implementation of the Sass language in JavaScript as opposed to Ruby. And one of the neat features of that is the live update mode. Because it's written in JavaScript, it can actually be read and interpreted inside the browser. The live update mode, it works with the Censure App Watch command to allow the browser to poll for changes and automatically update the screen. What we see here is one of the default ExtJS test applications created just using the Censure Generate app command. I'm going to go through and change the default color. This will have a number of knock-on effects. So as you can see, changing the Sass variable changed associated styles. Now I could just use the Chrome developer tools. These allow you to go through and change and style rules accordingly. But all I can do here is change one style. With the Sass commands, I can change an entire set of variables with impact on lots of styles at once. It's also extremely quick. It takes a couple of seconds to work through. How long it takes does depend on how complicated your styles and themes are. And changing variables, as I'm doing here, does take longer than changing individual Sass files and associated components. The key that makes this work is the tag up here. When you add this to the URL, you will be entering into the fashion mode, and it will read in the SCSS files directly instead of reading the CSS files that are produced during your normal build process. This can also be done with individual test pages. So this is a standalone web page without any embedded ExtJS application. I use these sort of pages to test parts of my application in a standalone fashion. This is a very simple test page that demonstrates an experiment I was trying with combo boxes. Here is one of the CSS files for that application. It's a considerably larger set of files, and I'm going to change the base color to be light green. By changing the base color, I not only change the background, but I also change the default dark color, because the base dark color, which is used for the button, is itself derived from the base color, as can be seen here. This allows for very rapid prototyping of CSS impacts. It's a major upgrade in developer productivity when using ExtJS 6.